This is the different card. Why different? Because it's red, so it contrasts a lot with the rest of the deck. I will lose it somewhere in the middle. I don't even know exactly where it is. I'm even gonna cut again to lose it a little bit more. And I'm not gonna find it because I already know which card it is. You will find it. For this, I give you the opportunity to guess which card in the middle of the deck can be this different card. Okay? Just an indication, it's not one of the top ones. Okay? So if you had to guess, which one of the cards you see would you pick? Let's say the 10 of hearts. Okay? The choice is free. It's on video, but the choice is free. One before, one after, it was not good. You picked the 10 of hearts, which is the only different card in the whole deck. Of course, the cards are normal, they are not tricky, they are not gimmicked, they are not sticky, and you can even give the whole deck in the end as a souvenir to your spectator. That's the different card. I hope you like.